Hello, caregiver. Hello, learners in Basic 8. Welcome to the Ghana Learning Radio Mathematics program. Learners, are you ready for an exciting lesson today? Great! This is Basic 8 Mathematics Lesson 1. Get ready with your notepad, exercise book, pens, or pencil. In this lesson, we shall multiply common fractions with different denominators. I am Amoakun Yeboah, your radio teacher. Learners, in today's lesson, we will come across some key words. Repeat these words after me. Good. The key words are fractions, operations, numerator, denominator, and multiply. Very good, learners. Learners, in this lesson, we shall learn about how to multiply common fractions with different denominators. Yes! Wow! What came across your mind? Well done, learners. I guess you thought of multiplying two or more fractions. Right. Before we multiply common fractions, let us quickly remind ourselves of adding and subtracting fractions with different denominators. Example 1. 3 divided by 4 plus 7 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 2. I hope you are finding a common denominator for them by finding the LCM. Did you choose 8 as LCM? Good job! Now you have 6 plus 7 plus 4 all divided by 8, which gives you 17 divided by 8. I hope you had two whole numbers, 1 divided by 8, when you change it to mixed numbers. Very good. Let's take another example. 5 whole number, 1 divided by 3 minus 1 whole number, 11 divided by 12. Did you quickly change them to improper fractions so that you can work easily? Good. I hope you had 16 divided by 3 minus 23 divided by 12. Very good. Picking an LCM of 12, you have 64 minus 23, all divided by 12. And this gave a final answer of 41 divided by 12, which can also be written as 3 whole number, 5 divided by 12. You have done well. Keep that up. Now let's begin our main lesson. Mr. Mankata gives 2/7 of a big watermelon to his son in the mornings. What will be the fraction of the watermelon his son has taken for 3 mornings? I take the question again. Mr. Mankata gives 2/7 of a big watermelon to his son in the mornings. What will be the fraction of the watermelon his son has taken for 3 mornings? I hope you are writing the fraction as 3 times 2/7. Good. This can be read as 3 groups of 2/7. Let us use repeated addition or add 2 divided by 7 repeatedly for 3 times. Did you get 2 divided by 7 plus 2 divided by 7 plus 2 divided by 7? Very good. Can we now get the answer for 3 times 2 divided by 7? Yes, we can. The answer is 6 divided by 7. Very good. Let's get another example. 5 multiplied by 2/9. 5 multiplied by 2/9. This can also be read as 5 groups of 2/9. Let us use the same repeated addition or add 2/9 repeatedly for 5 times. Did you get 2 divided by 9 plus 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 2 divided by 9? Good. Can we now get the answer for 5 times 2 divided by 9? Yes, we can. The answer is 10 divided by 9. Very good. We can also change our answer to a mixed number as 1 whole number, 1 divided by 9. Let's get another example. 1/5 is multiplied by 10. 1/5 is multiplied by 10. This can be read as 1/5 of 10. Assuming you have 10 oranges and you take 1/5 of them, how many oranges will you have? Did you say 2? Correct. Learners, we shall also learn how to recognize pattern of multiplication of common fractions with different denominators. Yes, what came across your mind? Well done, learners. I guess you thought of adding the fraction successfully according to the number of times it appears. What pattern have you recognized from multiplication involving fractions? Have you realized that when multiplying a whole number by the fraction, you multiply the number by the numerator and keep the denominator? Very good. Have you also realized that multiplication is very easy with fractions? Yes. Now let's take another example. 6 divided by 13 times 7. Did you say 7 times 6, all divided by 13? Very good. This gives 42 divided by 13, which can also be written as 3 whole number, 3 over 13 as a mixed number. Good. You are really working hard. Let's look at another example. 2/5 is multiplied by 3/4. 2/5 is multiplied by 3/4. This can also be read as 2/5 of 3/4. Well, since both numbers are fractions, you would want to multiply the numerators. Keep it and multiply the denominators and also keep it. Do you have 2 times 3, which is equal to 6 as the numerator? And 5 times 4, which is equal to 20 as the denominator? Good. Your answer therefore is 6 divided by 20. Let's take the last example. 15 divided by 17 is multiplied by 8 divided by 9. 15 divided by 17 is multiplied by 8 divided by 9. This can also be read as 15 divided by 17 of 8 divided by 9. Well, since both numbers are fractions, you would want to multiply the numerators, keep it, and multiply the denominators and also keep it. Do you have 15 times 8 equal to 120 as the numerator? And 17 times 9, which is equal to 153 as the denominator? Good. Therefore, our final answer is 120 divided by 153.
It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun.
Caregiver and learners, we are at the end of our lesson for today. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson. What did we learn today? We have reminded ourselves of addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. We have learned how to multiply whole numbers by fractions. We have also learned how to multiply fractions by whole numbers. We have learned how to multiply fractions by other fractions. Remember, they say, practice makes a man perfect. So for your homework, open to page 2, lesson 1 of your worksheet and do the exercises there. In our next lesson, we will be dividing fractions, so read about that too. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Goodbye.